In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bend shapes or objects in Inkscape using a fast and non-destructive method. If you've ever tried bending text, rectangles, or graphics in Inkscape, you may have noticed that some older tutorials recommend using extensions. The problem is that extensions can be slow, buggy, and sometimes permanently change your object. Instead, we're going to use path effects, which are live, fast, and fully editable at any time. That means you can tweak the bend whenever you want without damaging your original design. This technique is perfect for creating curved banners, bending shapes for logos, or making flexible design elements quickly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Inkscape tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Inkscape and start by drawing the object you want to bend. For this example, we'll use a simple rectangle, but this method works with many shapes and even text once it's converted to a path. To draw a rectangle, select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen, then click and drag on your canvas to create the shape. Don't worry too much about the exact size or proportions right now, because the bending effect will work regardless of the dimensions. Once your shape is on the canvas, make sure the object is selected so that we can apply the bending effect to it. Next, go to the top menu and click on Path, and then select Path Effects. There's also a shortcut you can use to open this panel quickly, which is Ctrl plus the ampersand key. When you activate this, the Path Effects panel will appear, usually on the right side of your workspace. Path Effects allow you to apply live transformations to objects without permanently altering their structure. This is one of the most powerful features in Inkscape because it keeps everything flexible and editable. Inside the Path Effects panel, look for the small plus icon. Click this plus button to add a new effect. A list of different effects will appear, and in the search bar you can simply type the word bend. Once you see the bend effect in the list, click on it to apply it to your selected object. Immediately after applying the effect, you won't notice much change yet, and that's completely normal. The effect is active, but now we need to control how the bend is applied. To do that, look inside the Path Effects panel for the small icon labeled Edit on Canvas. The icon looks similar to a node editing tool. Click this button to activate the interactive editing mode. As soon as you enable it, you'll notice a green line appear across your object. This green line is the bending guide that controls how the object curves. Now simply click and drag this line to shape the bend. As you move the line upward, downward, or curve it in different directions, the object will follow that path and bend accordingly. You can experiment with different shapes and positions to get the exact curve you want. This makes it incredibly easy to create smooth, curved graphics without complicated steps. One important thing to remember is that this method is completely non-destructive. That means the bend effect remains editable at any time. If you ever want to change the curve later, just select the object again, go back to the Path Effects panel, and adjust the bend guide. Your original object is never permanently distorted. And that's how you bend objects in Inkscape quickly using the Bend Path effect. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Inkscape guides, design tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.